style chicken wings, you guys. So we have the buffalo crack style chicken wings today. Yes. Okay. And I am going to bake them today, you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen, you guys. How is everybody doing today? You guys, in case you're wondering, yes, this is the same day as the pancakes. So today I am going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how I'm going to make me some delicious buffalo crack style chicken wings, you guys. So we have the buffalo crack style chicken wings today. Yes. Okay. And I am gonna bake them today, you guys. Your girl is in the mood for some baked foods. And yes, as you saw, I put plenty of black pepper. And I'm using an all-purpose seasoning. Okay. And it's the Smoky by Kingsford. And yeah, this recipe calls for you to put it in a bag, right? But your girl is not going to put her chicken wings in a bag, okay? She's not going to do that. We're just going to go ahead and coat these. Let me wash my hands. Let me wipe my bag off again. I'm sorry. Okay. Let me dry my hands a little bit. So I have my oven on to 375. And I'm just going to put me some of this buffalo style seasoned breading or mix. Okay, we're just gonna put us some on this chicken, and we're gonna get right on in there and we're gonna coat each piece. That's how we're gonna do it today. We're gonna coat each piece. I had to make sure my camera was on. Let's coat it and get it all in here. And I'm just going to lay them right here on this pan like so. Giving them space. Because I am in the mood for me some chicken wings today. And so, yeah. We're just going to make them simple and easy. That's all. That's all we're going to do. So how's everybody doing today? Good. Because I am doing just fine. Now we're going to discard all of that. And I'm going to slide these on in the oven until they are ready. And that should be in a half an hour. Okay, guys, so we have our delicious waffles because that's what we're having. Chicken and waffles, you guys. So I'm just going to top this with some Cool Whip. Top this with some Cool Whip right quick. Yes, let's put a dial of Cool Whip on here. You guys, now if you're wondering how did I make these delicious waffles, please go over to my channel and where you will see I have some delicious homemade waffles. So yes, we have some chicken and waffles, you guys, this morning. And your girl, this is the buffalo style chicken and waffles, you guys. Buffalo style. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take an extra one off. And I'm just going to sample it for you guys. Oh my goodness, that's hot. That is hot. Let's see. No, I don't really get the buffalo style. It does have a little spice on it. So, I don't know, you guys. But it is a good seasoning for the chicken. So if you're viewing me for the first time, thumbs it straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yes, come join your girl. I would love to meet you. And yes, thumb this video straight up. This is my take on chicken and waffles, you guys. Chicken and waffles. Can't go wrong any type of damn meal. So I'm going to close this out and send much love over to your place. Goodbye.